First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Android, but it's the same process, the exact process if you are on iPhone too. The first thing you need to do is come to a app that have this option, okay, that have the option to play music simultaneously. I recommend Spotify because in my opinion is the best option to do this process. Okay, so you need to download Spotify, create an account, and log into your account. After doing that, you click on the middle button to search the music that you want to play simultaneously on multiple phones, or the playlist that you want to play simultaneously, and click on top. After doing that, you click on this icon right here. Okay, so click on this icon, and here you can start a remote group session to listen with friends in different places, okay, or on different device too. So click on this option, click on invite friends, and here you have several options to share the link to your friends. So you can share on WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and so on. I prefer to copy link and send to the person manually. Okay, so share the link with your friends or the other device, and after the person click on the link, he will be added to this place. Okay, and after doing that, every song that you play on Spotify, the person will listen to. I hope I help you on how to play Spotify